Yeah, Anjali, welcome to this interview. And to begin with, introduce yourself with broad details about your family, your academic achievements, and academic journey in general from class 8 onwards till now. Any achievements you had in academics field or extracurricular activities or any games and sports, that any milestones you achieved. And besides that, your routine that you follow normally. And I believe you are coming from a hostel. So how do you compare the two hostels? The previous one where you had earlier your classes up to 10th and thereafter you joined a different hostel with us, and what are the comparative points that you can make on that? And lastly, why you are preparing for armed forces as one of your career choices? You may start.
Jain sir, I am Cadet Anjali Yadav. Currently I am studying in the Doon Defence Academy in Dehradun. In my family there are 4 members including me. My father's name is Mr. Lakshman Yadav. He is in railways. My mother's name is Srimati Meena Devi and she is a housewife. And I have an elder brother whose name is Ashish Kumar Yadav and he is currently in second year college in Jabalpur. And I have completed my 10th since 3rd grade till 10th grade. I had been in hostel at Oak Grove School in Jharipani, Mussoorie. And from there after 10th I joined the DDA and I'll be completing my 12th from here. And if I talk about my achievements, so I have majorly been participating in sports. And in case of studies, if I say, in class 9th, I had scored the 2nd rank with 97%. And in grade 10th, I had scored 3rd rank in my class with 95.5%. And then in case of sports, I have been an athlete since my 4th grade. And I have been participating in district athletics meet, which is held in Dehradun only. And my major sport is long jump, and apart from long jump I had played many other games like basketball, badminton, football and many more. And since I have been in hostel, so there has been few differences and many of the things are similar as well because both are hostels, but differences are also there. Since it was a residential school over there and students from different spheres preparing for different things have been studying there. So overall there couldn't be a focus on a single student, but the general development has been really good over there. For example, the debates were held over the extracurricular activities, declamations and all. So it helped in developing our personalities. And if I talk about DDA, so here we have been, there has been major focus on individual students. In most of the institutions, as my father also says, and many of the students, my friends tell me that there is not complete focus on one student. But this is the institution where I have noticed this difference, and it is really good that every teacher knows every student individually and has been personally also counseling them if they're facing many problems. So in case of defense, they have given us a lot of knowledge, and apart from defense as well, they give us how many spheres we can join, and if we can't make it in this attempt, then next attempt what we can do for our betterment. And apart from defense only, they told us about many career options as well. And they told us that there is not only one option to join defense, that is from NDA, but there are other ways as well, like there is NCC, then TES and many more things they have told us. So there has been a good connection between the teachers and the students over here, and I find it really good. And the other facilities are also really good here. For example, the classrooms, number of students in each class, then rooms and the number of students in each rooms, and how we are being trained from early morning to night. It has been really good here.
So whatever routine and syllabus they have set for you guys, students here in DDA,
yes,
that slowly is doing a lot of good mentoring towards making a career in defense, in merchant navy, the commercial part lessons, because basically they're preparing for the entire life almost.
Yes, sir.
So that way probably you feel that it was a good change, especially in the higher classes of 11th and 12th, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So now since you are joined here, the dream of everybody joining here remains the NDA, primary dream. So how does this preparation and this staying of 2 years here in the foundation course helps you specifically in a focused approach towards NDA?
So first of all, for joining NDA, there is a lot of physical as well as mental training. So any profession if I choose, so they have either completely academic performance they focus on or either completely physical. So NDA is something that is completely fulfilling what I need. It is completely focusing on our mental development, physical development, our leadership qualities, and how we can survive in difficult situations. So this is one of the part why I want to join this. And the second is sports, because if they will physically and mentally train us, it is indirectly preparing me for my sports as well. So I can get many opportunities there also.
Okay, so you come from the family of railways.
Yes,
What
sir.
motivates you towards the armed forces?
So I have always been thinking of doing something different from what my family members have been doing. In my family, none of the members have yet joined the army, or no one has ever joined any forces like that. So I wanted to be the first person to join the army.
And what
in my
would be the
family.
choice in case you get through NDA?
So I will be choosing army.
You will be choosing army.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Any special reason over Air Force and Navy? Why army?
So in case of army, most of the work is on foot, and I think as much as I work physically, that will make me more confident towards what
So
I
you will be
want.
able to pursue your adventure activities as a sports.
Yes, sir.
It's a privilege having you here, Anjali. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Jai Hind, sir.